Hey Russell, hey Kurt, hey Ed. I was just looking at a few tests, and I just wanted to make this the quick show to you here. Sorry for my geekisms here, man. But this is a SI valves, a SB-2, and these are the tests we've done. This last time was 2005 with UDS. We've had a quick look test as well, but I couldn't find that trace, so I'm just going to show you this backseat stroke. What you can see up here on the screen is we got DMT. This would be compensator deflection, strain gauge thrust, strain gauge torque, and alpha phase current here. I'll change that to to spring pack displacement. So now we'll have spring pack displacement, torque, thrust, and looks like the zeros are pretty close except for the torque here. Let me just verify that. Change that real quick. And the spring pack will change. This was the back seat trace, so I'm just going to, just for argument's sake, to zero it here. So we can look at the same thing up here. Just zero it right there. So as you can see, as the stem, the compensator starts to move, we can actually see that. Sorry, I haven't used UDS in a while. I've been pretty much quick look for a while, but just going through here. You can see the compensator starts to move here. So you note the change in slope on the thrust and torque, and in this case the spring pack didn't start to move until the compensator started moving at the same time. All right. C14, you can see here we have right about there, whatever it is, it's 348 foot-pounds with 24,000 pounds of thrust, and you can see the compensator continues to move until total thrust, C16, happens. Let me get to closed coil currents here so you can see something you're used to seeing. So closed coil current, C14 goes out there, and we carry on motor current. Alpha RMS, so on inertia it continues to go. So in this case you can see the compensator is still moving at full compression, and in this case we're at 24,000 pounds. Back to your point about a little bit of compression. In this case, you know, there obviously is a little more load. You know, it has to be preloaded to, you know, let's see, about 3,200 pounds before the compensator starts to move. But you know, a few turns with a couple of bolts on the upper bearing housing would cause that torque with no problem. Anyway, just take a look at these traces. If I can provide any more assistance, I'm looking for another SB2 that I can get to the traces readily, and I will send that down to you. Take care. Bye.